Hello children. So we have come to the last example sum in chapter Lines and Angles, example 8. This is your NCERT example. This is the diagram. They say side AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to point E and D. That means this AB produced means it is extended to point E and AC is extended to point D. BO and CO bisectors. That means this BO and CO are cutting equal angles with CBE. That means CBE is the whole angle and this is cutting this into two equal half. So whatever is the measurement of this, that will only be the measurement of this. In the same way BCD. BCD is this whole angle from here to here, and whatever this is cutting this into two equal angles. That means whatever is the measurement of this, that is only the measurement of this. That means equal bisectors. Now, if I draw this diagram like this, children, this is A, this is B, and this is C, and this is Y. So, and this is Z. So, let us first understand what is the measurement of CBE. We have to first find out what is the measurement of this angle. Now, if you see, this is a straight line and this is a ray standing on it. So these form a linear pair, right? Linear pair means whenever there is a line, they form a linear pair. This plus this will always be 180. So if suppose this is 30, then this will be 180 minus 30, that is 150. That's why we get 150 plus 30, 180. The same way, if this is y, then this will become y, right? So if this is y, then this will be 180 minus y. And this will be 180. If this is z, then this is 180 minus z. So first you should understand this, that CBE is 180 minus y and BCD is 180 minus z. Now, but this BO is cutting 180 minus y into two equal half. Suppose this was 90 degree, right? So if it is cutting into two equal half, that means this is 45 and this side is 45, cutting into two equal half. So now this is how did we get 45, children? We are dividing it by 2. So in the same way, now this is 180 minus y, the whole thing. So what will be only this part? That will be half of 180 minus y. You understood? This full is 180 minus y, this full. So half of that will be this, because it is cutting it into two equal half. So this full is 180 minus y, but I want only this part, only this. So I will divide it by 2, or we can say half of 180 minus y. So this is how we are getting CBO. CBO is half of CBE. And what is CBE? Just now we found out CBE is 180 minus y. So half of 180 minus y. That means half has to be multiplied by 180 also, and after that put minus sign, half into y also. What do we get? 2 ones are 2 90s are. So it is 90 minus 1 into y is y by 2. So CBO is 90 minus y by 2. So this we have got as 90 minus y by 2. In the same way, children, same way, if this is 180 minus z, this full is 180 minus z, that means CO is bisecting. That means it is cutting this two into two equal half. So CO is bisecting BCD. So BCO, what is BCO? BCO, that is this, is half of 180 minus z. This full is 180 minus z. But we don't want full. We want only this part, because you are going to deal with this triangle. We want this triangle. So in this triangle, what are the parts? This one plus this one. So we got this one. Now what we have to work out on? BCO. So BCO is half of BCD. So half of 180 minus z. So half into 180 is 90 minus half into z. So if you cancel, you will get 90 minus 1 into z is z by 2. Right? So this is 90 minus z by 2. Now this is full triangle, right? And you know that angle sum property, what does it say? The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. That means in triangle BOC, CBO, that is this, BCO, that is this, and BOC totally make up 180. That is what I have written here. Now whatever we know, we will just replace it with. We know CBO. What is CBO is here. How much is it? 90 minus y by 2. We know BCO. BCO is 90 minus z by 2. And in between these two plus sign is there. And we don't know BOC. We have to find BOC. Is equal to 180. Now what is 90 plus 90 children? 180. So this 180, when it goes there, it will become minus 180. So angle BOC minus z by 2 minus y by 2 equals to 180. 90 plus 90, 180. When it goes there, it will become minus 180, and 180 minus 180 is 0. So your answer here will be 0. Right? So we cancel 90 plus 90, 180 cancels with 180. Now if I take minus z by 2 and minus y by 2, that side it will become plus. Angle BOC equals to plus z by 2. I can just write z by 2, and minus y by 2, it goes here, it becomes plus y. Now here the denominators are same. That means you can add z plus y, and by 2 you can write once. Right? Now what is z plus y by 2? You can write it as half of z plus y. Why? Because 1 into z plus y is z plus y, and 2 is outside. So I have taken 2 here. So children, you copy down this. We have finished nearly 80%, only 20% more to go. Just copy this. Yes children. So this was the last sentence which we left. Angle BOC is equal to half y plus z. Now we have finished till here. Now let us concentrate on this triangle ABC. Now we know this is also a triangle. That means angle x plus angle y plus angle z will be equal to 180 degree, because that is the angle sum property. The sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Now if I want y plus z, I will keep y plus z here and 180 as usual wherever it is. If I transfer x here, it will become minus x, because x is carrying a positive sign. That means if I substitute the value of y plus z as 180 minus x here, I will get the answer here. That is why I am doing this. This y plus z, now I will not write as y plus z, I will write 180 minus x, because these both are equal. So angle BOC is equal to half. Now in place of y plus z, what I am going to write? 180 minus x. So half into 180 minus half into x, and half into 180 is 2 ones are 2 90s are, and minus half into x. Now what is x children? X is this, right? So it is that. What is this angle? BAC. Half, instead of x, I will write BAC. Half angle BAC. And this is what we have to prove. BOC is equal to 90 minus half of BAC. So this is a little long sum children, but if you do step by step, make it 25% sum, then 50%, then 75%, and then divide it into 4 parts, and practice this sum twice within a gap of 10-15 minutes. Then you will understand it perfectly. Thank you. Bye.